Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Sarabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of July. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what's in store for Pisces. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Pisces. To take one more card for Pisces. Guidance from the angels for Pisces. Okay. Message from the universe. This card has flipped. Perhaps it has something. Okay, I'll take one more card for Pisces. Okay. So Pisces, you are unburdening yourself. It seems that you were carrying a burden on yourself since a long time, and it's over. You are unburdening yourself, and with the Eight of Cups you are moving away from this burden. You're leaving those burdens, and you are moving towards stepping away from this burdensome situation and moving towards peace. Okay, so you're leaving away this burden. That's what is coming up. And with the Death card following it, which is a major arcana, here this situation is definitely ending. So whatever situation was causing you a lot of stress, it was burdening you, you are unburdening it, it's over, and you're leaving things behind. You are leaving those things behind. You're leaving those stressful and burdensome situations behind, and those things are ending. And immediately following here, as soon as, and it is ending, and it requires your willingness to do so. If you are willing to leave it, you just leave those things behind. You see, it's followed by the Nine of Cups, which is total contentment, happiness, wishes are being fulfilled. You are so happy and content, and after this situation is ending. Okay, so you're leaving those burdens aside, leaving that bothersome situation, and it's ending. You yourself are doing it basically. Okay, this is an effort which you are putting in to leave that situation behind, and those efforts are being rewarded in the form of this Death card, that this situation is ending for you and something new is beginning. Okay, and what is this new thing? This new thing is the Nine of Cups. It is a situation in which you are totally happy, totally content. Your wishes are being fulfilled over here. And with the Queen of Pentacles and with the Seven of Swords, What I feel here is that you are very, very content, emotionally satisfied, and you are spending the time alone. You're spending time alone, giving time to yourself. You are basically rejuvenating yourself. That's what I feel. You are rejuvenating yourself. You're giving that time to yourself. You want to enjoy that self love, or that self time. You want to have that me time after you, because now you are content, you're happy, you just want the time to yourself. Okay, you want to be happy alone. That you're choosing to be happy alone. That's what I'm getting. You want to be alone, you want to relax, sort of. Yeah, that is the word I was looking for. You want to relax now. You just want to cherish the present moment, okay, when you are happy and content. And this Seven of Swords, what I feel is, it is something, it is talking about this energy which was causing a lot of burden. There was some sort of cheating which was going on in your life, and this is a situation which has ended, and this was a situation which was the cause of this burden and this stress which was there in your life. Some sort of deception and cheating was going on over here, Pisces, in whatever way it was. But I think this card is the energy of this. Okay, and this was the cause of your stress. This was the cause of your tensions. Okay, and which was bothering you, and that is ending. It has ended, rather, I should say. The only thing is, you just need to let it go and focus on the present, and your wishes are being fulfilled. You are taking that time to yourself, spending time alone, just being in the present, sort of. Okay, so that is a very beautiful thing which I am getting for you, Pisces. And here with the Page of Pentacles, put it like this. With the Page of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and with the Ace of Pentacles. I just see the focus over here. Pentacle, the globe, and the Ace of Pentacles. I'm being glued to this synchronicity in these three cards, and here what I'm getting, the word is, the world is your arena now. Okay, you are sort of you have that information, you are focused, you have that wisdom now, you are ready to embark on a new journey. It's like whatever this lesson was in your life, you have now graduated, sort of, from this lesson. You have learnt your lesson, you have graduated from whatever this thing has ended, and the burden and the cheating which was going on. You have gained that wisdom and the knowledge, and with that newly found knowledge, basically, with the newly found knowledge, with that newly formed sort of graduation which you have done in your life, you are ready to embark on a new journey. Okay, it is definitely a new beginning. Perhaps it can be from the ground level, it can be totally new, but you are ready to, you are just ready to step into the new world or the new arena. Okay, the world is yours, the world is your oyster. It's coming off like that. It's getting bigger and bigger. Okay, it's getting more prominent, I should say. So the thing is that you are here, it is a new beginning. With the Page of Pentacles, I would like to say it is a new beginning, and you are taking those small steps towards this new beginning. You are focused on that self-love, you're focused on your new goals, you're focused on something new in your life, and here you have learned your lessons, you are ready to embark on that new journey. Now this journey may not be an actual journey, it is a journey of life. You're ready to move into the new, leaving behind the past. You're turning your back to the past. Here also, you are turning your back to the past. You are moving away, you are turning your back to the past. Okay, and here also you're leaving the past behind, looking forward over there. Okay, you are just looking forward, you want to move ahead with your life. And with the Ace of Pentacles, there is something new, a new beginning, which is stable, which is long term, which is meant for you. Okay, so it's beautiful. It's beautiful. For some of you, it can be an actually like world is your oyster type of thing. It can really be that for some of you, at least, who are of that status or celebrity status, whatever. If somebody of that stature is watching it, but definitely it is something which is a new beginning, at least, which is a new beginning. You are ready for it, you are glued to it, you have decided to take that journey, and you have learned that lessons. It's coming off as if you have graduated, learned the lessons of life, and graduated yourself for this new beginning, prepared for it. And here the first card which came out was the Tower. So definitely whatever this event was which had happened, which was with the Seven of Swords also, there was some cheating which was going on, which perhaps you were not even aware of. Okay, and you were not aware of it, and when you realized it, it came as a shock for you. So tower is talking about a shake-up over here. It is something which has caused a disruption, which has caused you a lot of disbelief. How can this happen? How can it's sort of like that? And over here with the two of spades, I don't think that it is, though it can be a passionate conversation between the lovers. If that is the new beginning for some of you, it can be a passionate conversation with your lover or your significant other. But what I am getting here is that it doesn't seem to be a conversation which is passionate and loving over here. What I feel is, after this tower moment and after whatever it has ended, this seems to be an argument to me. It seems to be a hot argument to me. Okay, it's an argument. It can be an actual fight. It is a verbal fight basically. To me, it seems like that with the tower over here. Okay, because this is the situation which has ended, which was causing a lot of cheating and a lot of burden on you, and this what I feel at least is, it doesn't seem to be a passionate and a loving conversation, though it can be, because there is wish fulfillment and there's a new beginning. So perhaps for some of you, this new beginning is actually the lovers, is actually a significant partner. But coming next to the devil card, it can be a heated conversation with somebody, but it is being followed by the sun card also. So if I remove this tower, then it can be the tower itself was the disbelief, the disruption, the shock which you got from this ending and this cheating. And here when you start something new, because it is giving you a lot of happiness, so it can be a mixed energy also. It can be talking about both, though it was an argument over here and something. But yes, you have a new partner coming in. Maybe your wishes are being fulfilled. You are ready for a new beginning, and happiness is all yours. You are very happy about it. So it can be a significant person or a lover for somebody, for some of you, and you're having a passionate conversation with them. But whatever the case is, ultimately you are happy. That's what I'm trying to say. Be it talking towards that, it can be an argument or it can be a passionate conversation, but whatever has to end is ending, and you are happy ultimately. That's what I'm trying to say. 0, a new beginning. You are at a beginning of a wonderful journey. There is no need to have any fear, as guardian angels walk beside you at every step of the way. You have unique gifts to offer to the world. If you just free yourself from what holds you back, new opportunities will present themselves if you truly believe. What did I say? You have unique gifts to offer to the world. The world is your oyster. You have many things to offer to the world. Okay, just let go of whatever has ended, was meant to end. Okay, so there is no need to have any fear because of the past. Okay, and you just need to free yourself from what holds you back. So what did I say? You are making that effort, and your efforts are being rewarded in the form of this death card, that this burdensome situation is ending. So all your efforts are being rewarded. You just need to free yourself from whatever was holding you back. And if you are not able to free yourself, you will not be able to have these blessings which are coming in. So here, this is the main thing which you need to free yourself from. And death being the major arcana, it will end. This tension, this burdensome situation will end, and you are in for a new beginning, Pisces. Number 8 and number 9 may be of some significance for you. Love who you are. You are divine, delightful, and deserving of the wonderful things life has to offer. So this is what you need to say to yourself, that whatever has ended, it was none of your fault. It's not because of your mistake. You did what was right. If the cheating was going on, it was because of some other person. It's other person's fault. You just don't have to lower your worth on that. You just need to love yourself, love whosoever you are, and that is why what you are doing with the Queen of Pentacles. You're giving that much time to yourself. You are really enjoying that present moment. Okay, so you just need to focus and realize that you are a loving being. You need to love yourself. It's none of your fault. And slow down, pause, and allow things to unfold. Things will unfold themselves. Things will come into picture. You will realize which direction to move. There is a new beginning. As I said, you've sort of graduated from these lessons of life, and you are ready for a new beginning. And beginning will be offered to you. Things will happen themselves with the time. You will ultimately realize as to which direction you are supposed to move towards. Okay, Pisces, it's a beautiful reading. I'm so happy for you, Pisces. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.